Welcome back to our channel, Splendid Education Point. This is Parveen Pandey. Today, my topic is positive attitude. How to stay positive all the time? First of all, you should follow the some tips that I am going to give you. First is, whenever you wake up in the morning, gratitude is the very important weapon that will give you the everything whatever you have desired. First is the gratitude to the God. Thankful. You should be the thankful to the God. God, you have given me such a things that is a beautiful. Everything you have given me, I am going to thank you to all of these things that you have provided. So, first is you should be thankful to the God. And second one is, after finishing your work, just focus on your fitness, because if you are healthy, then your mind will be healthy. If you are fit, then your everything will be fit. So you must try to be fit. And third one is, try to listen to music. Whenever you stress, focus what kind of music you want to listen and what kind of music gives you relaxation. Meditate sometime. Meditation is the best medicine for every person. It will straight out from all the things. First of all, nothing is a permanent in this world. Everything is going on a changes. So don't take long time any kind of incident which you have faced. I am going to tell you that take all the things away from your mind. Take the positive thoughts, positive energy from the God. So God has given, the sun is a God. Sun is providing us the energy, lots of energy. It's a take us out from the darkness to the brightness. So we should feel a gratitude towards the God which is given to us. Gratitude to the person who is helping you. So it will make you the happier person in the world if you will be thankful to the person. Okay guys, now next one is, complete your task every day which you have decided. Suppose the boss has given you the task, you should try to complete the task at the right time. Because if you are making delay the work, it will pressurize you for further life. It will make you very disturbed in your another. Next one is, respect your elder, love your youngers. Because if you respect your elders, they will bless you, and if you love the youngers, they will also bless you. Respect all the creatures from the God. Whatever God has given you, whatever the facility God has given you, try to help the other person. Try to give something to the other. Don't try to be the takers. Sometimes you try to be the giver. Because whenever you give, you will feel more energetic. Whenever you take, you get down from there. Whenever you give to the people, you make smile to the people. You are spreading the happiness to all around the world. So that means try to help the other person. Don't put down any person. If you are behaving with the people badly, rudely, it is a dangerous for you. It will give you the worst result in your further life. Because if you are insulting someone, the earth is round. Somewhere you will also insulted by other person. I am not saying that by that person you will insult. The person will insult you, but you will insulted by other person. So that's why I am telling you that spread the happiness all around the world. Be happy, be smiling. Always take the smiling face on your mouth and stay positive. Always think that nothing is permanent in this world. Everything is going on a changes. So forget about all the things. Try to forgive the peoples. If the person insulted you, forget about that things. Yes, it must be happen that. होता रहता है. So guys, thank you so much. फिर मिलेंगे नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel because it's gives me the positive attitude, positive energy. Because you are my friends, you are my family.